Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Cleaning concrete with muriatic acid is an incredibly effective method for tackling stubborn stains, efflorescence, and preparing surfaces for sealing or painting, but it is also an extremely hazardous process that demands rigorous safety precautions. Muriatic acid, also known as hydrochloric acid, is a highly corrosive substance that can cause severe chemical burns, respiratory irritation, and damage to eyes and other materials if not handled with extreme care. Therefore, before even thinking about opening that bottle, your absolute priority must be personal protective equipment or PPE. You will need heavy-duty, acid-resistant gloves, preferably nitrile or butyl rubber, that extend up your forearms. Eye protection is non-negotiable. Wear chemical splash goggles along with a full face shield for maximum protection. A respirator equipped with acid gas cartridges is essential to prevent inhalation of corrosive fumes, especially in enclosed or poorly ventilated areas, though outdoor use is strongly recommended. Additionally, wear long-sleeved shirts, long pants, and closed-toe, chemical-resistant shoes to protect your skin from accidental splashes. Always have a source of fresh water readily available, like a garden hose, for immediate rinsing in case of skin contact, and a generous supply of baking soda nearby to neutralize spills or runoff. Once your personal safety is secured, prepare the work area. Clear away any furniture, plants, or other items from the concrete surface. Sweep or power wash the concrete thoroughly to remove loose dirt, debris, and grease. This initial cleaning ensures the acid can work directly on the embedded stains. Critically, you must wet the concrete surface completely with water before applying the acid solution. Pre-wetting prevents the acid from soaking into the concrete too quickly, which can lead to uneven etching and potentially damage the surface, and also helps to dilute the acid upon contact. Protect any surrounding landscaping, metal fixtures, or painted surfaces with plastic sheeting and painter's tape, as muriatic acid can severely damage them. A perimeter of baking soda solution can also be applied around the work area to help neutralize any acid runoff. Now, for mixing the solution, always, and I repeat, always add the acid slowly into water, never the other way around. Adding water to concentrated acid can cause a violent, exothermic reaction, splashing corrosive liquid. Use a plastic bucket, as metal buckets will corrode. A common dilution ratio is 1 part muriatic acid to 10 to 12 parts water for general cleaning, or you might go as strong as 1 part acid to 4 or 5 parts water for extremely tough stains or to etch concrete for better adhesion of coatings. Stir the mixture gently with a plastic stirring stick. With the solution prepared, apply it evenly to a small, manageable section of the pre-wetted concrete using a plastic watering can or an acid-resistant sprayer. Watch for fizzing or bubbling, which indicates the acid is reacting with the concrete and dissolving contaminants. Allow the solution to dwell for about 5 to 10 minutes, but do not let it dry on the surface. While it's working, use a stiff-bristled, acid-resistant brush to scrub the area vigorously, focusing on the stained spots. Once you've scrubbed the section, it's time for neutralization and rinsing, which are critical steps to stop the corrosive action and ensure safety. Liberally apply a solution of baking soda and water, about 1 cup of baking soda per gallon of water, over the treated area. This will neutralize any remaining acid. You might see some additional fizzing as the acid and base react. After neutralization, thoroughly rinse the concrete with a powerful stream of water from a garden hose or a pressure washer, ensuring all acid residue and neutralized solution are completely washed away. It's advisable to collect the runoff if possible and neutralize it further before disposal, especially if you have sensitive drainage systems. Repeat the process for any remaining sections of concrete, always working in small, manageable areas. Finally, allow the concrete to dry completely before applying any sealers, paints, or before resuming normal use. Always store and used acid in its original, properly labeled container, securely capped, and out of reach of children and pets. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more DIY tips and safety guides.